Good morning and welcome back to another one. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Going out on another crow hunt. Hopefully better than last time. We'll see how this goes. Super cold this week. A lot colder than last. 16 degrees. Real feel is 1. Last week was 10 to 16 degrees real feel. So 10 degrees at least colder. So I'm sitting here doing the intro, and of course I look out the window and 100 crows at least going to my spot. So running a little later than I'd like to, but oh well. I know that I'm not going to be able to stay out there very long today, being that it's 1 degree out. It's going to be definitely a cold one. So hopefully we can get out there, sit out as long as we can, knock down a few birds, have a little fun, and call it a day. Pretty much what I'm looking for, just get out of the house, have something to do. I'd rather be out hunting geese, like I said. No geese in the area, you go scout for them, 2-3 hours driving, looking around, and you just don't see them here. Just not here, unless I'm looking in the wrong places. So rabbit and squirrel is in. I'd just rather go out and shoot some birds. Good target practice. So that's what I hunt a lot of, is waterfowl, and why not get some target practice when you can. So we'll see how it goes. Enough with the chit chatting. We're gonna get up there, get set down, get set up. Hopefully we get some birds coming and wind up with at least one, and I'll see you in the woods. Alright guys, so we just left the house. Took a look out the window. Look at this. Yeah, running a little later than I'd like. I wish I would have beat them. So alright guys, so I just got in here and I have crows everywhere, all over on top of me, so I'm gonna make this quick. And I just got my few decoys sitting in about 15 yards away from me, up in a tree. Look at that one right over top. All right, so I better get off here. I'll see you guys when I knock one down. What? if you guys just seen that. I wasn't sure if he was gonna go down or not, but I finally got one. Went through a lot of shooting so far though. Hang on, I got more coming though. Here we go. Oh God. Where the heck that bugger go? There he is. Number one. Oh God. Poor guy's still alive. Hey guys, alright, so just a quick update. I hope that I got that bird on cam. I don't know what the heck he was doing. I must have just clipped him and he didn't know where to go. I didn't know where to go, so the camera, the footage might be a little shaky. So we'll see. So I just got back. I had to take a walk about 200 yards, maybe 250. I shot at another bird while going to retrieve the other one, and it looked like he kind of was soaring, going down. Took a walk over there, looked around. I couldn't find nothing, so yeah, that's about it for now. Lots of missing. I don't know what's going on with me. It is what it is, but hopefully we can knock some more down. Hopefully we get a little more action. Stay tuned. Yeah, alright. I knew if I just gave it some time that these birds would come in. As you guys can see, birds all over, but just having a hard time getting them to me. So, number two. Man, I was getting ready to take off here soon. Birds keep flying back and forth, but just can't get them close enough to me. I don't know if maybe they're seeing me or what the deal is. But two beat the last one. Well, let's go pick him up and hopefully we can get some more. Let's go check him out. I think he's still alive though. That was a nice shot too. I had an empty. I don't know what the deal was there. Not an empty, but nothing in the chamber. Yeah, wow, he's quite a ways away too. I think tomorrow when I come in, I'm actually thinking about sitting up over here. I feel like it's a little bit higher ground. And well, I've never tried over here, and it's about, well, where you see the decoys, that's probably about 20 yards at least right there. So It's about a 40-yard difference. Who knows? Might make a difference. Poor guy hit the snow pretty hard. And as I figured, he's still alive. Alright, well, I'm gonna take care of this and get back to the spot. And I'll see you guys there. Well guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. My goal is to come out and get two birds, so I'm pretty happy. I wound up getting 2 birds. Obviously I would have shot more. So yeah, the first bird came in and I just clipped him. I think he did a few circles in the air. I wasn't sure if he was gonna fly off or what the heck he was gonna do, so if the footage is a little shaky in there, I apologize. Second bird came in, decoyed real nice. I missed him on the first shot and I got him on the second shot. I'm gonna come in here tomorrow. It's gonna be mid-30s, so I'm hoping that works out real nice. Gets the birds flying a little more. I'm gonna move over about 50 yards right where the birds were flying today, so that way I'm not trying to pull them over to me so much. But 2 birds, here they are. Hopefully we can wind up with 2 tomorrow, if not more. Can't believe I'm still out here. It's going on noon now, being that it was 1 degree this morning. I'm sure to say that it didn't warm up very much more, so 30 degrees is gonna feel like summer tomorrow. But got crows coming in right now. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate you guys coming in, stopping by. Like if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.